Right now, there's no ramp for carts or handicap ramp or anything like that. So we have to unload the babies here and then walk up there. So this is a lounge area for the tramway. You can see through the glass the wires up there and the tram going all the way up. It's miniature the tram right there. We are all here on the patio. We're waiting for our turn to go up. And there's a creek right here, quite interesting. Carla and Zoe are munching on some rice cake treats. No.
This will be the final call for the Board Club Tram Car. Final call.
So we're entering here. The tram, it's huge. Não é o Rio de Janeiro.
We're going to start our rotating floor. So the floor beneath your feet is going to rotate slowly to the left.
Yeah, the tram swings quite a bit.
That window is open.
Oh my gosh.
The floor of the tram spins.
60 degrees. Travel and Springs.
Going over the tower. Came to Switzerland for the weekend. As soon as you get to Palm Springs, you're going to see signage for the Palm Springs Tramway. And here we are, on top of these mountains here. Look at the tiny eggs. Zoe! Vem. So you got the idea. So it goes in a zigzag all the way down. Zoe's exploring the snow here. The other explorer
Seca a mão na roupa, seca assim, ó, no macacão, seca.
So these are the gears. Look at this thing, it's gnarly. Thanks for the Swiss. So it's not just about Rolex and chocolates. Look at the concrete weight down there. Interesting, balances the cables, right?
Yes, yes.
Amazing.
Ela tá vendo a coruja ali, ó.
Aqui, olha, olha ali, olha. Ali, ó. Esse é bonitinho também. Olha lá, a Carla tá indo lá.
We finally made it to Geneva, to these Alps here.
Tá indo. Carla, tá gostoso, Carla?
It's happening as the tram pulls up, this weight came up. It adds tension to the cables when it goes over the towers. Now we're going down. Down there, those are the fans Frank Sinatra ordered because Palm Springs is so hot. In the heydays, they put those fans for him. She's moving her neck. She's dancing. She does. She must move sensitive to the brain. It was a great day at the Palm Springs Tramway. We met a lot of great people. We had a good time.
This is the original cabin.
Look at that. Very cool. Easy peasy, Carla. Go slow. Thanks for watching this video. Today's adventure here at the Palm Springs Tramway. Look at this. It's a good day.